Hey guys, Kevin.
You don't know how to put this back, do you?
Today we're going to figure out how to install this thing. What you call the N14, A15, and 17.
We're gonna work on HP 9018, but it's same thing as 8000, like 8022, 8025. It's the same procedure. We're gonna remove the paper tray, and then you're gonna see there are two springs holding this plate. We're going to use a dentist too, but you can make a jig from the paper clip or something, and just remove the larger part first, and then the spring to come off. Yes, some of you may need this spring. You can, for example, you fall on the floor, cannot find it. Don't panic. Go to bchtechnology.com and go to printer parts, and scroll down for HP. Let me think where it is. Search for spring, and you can see it's this. Although it says for N16, but I mean, I'll talk about it. It's the same thing: N14, N15, N17, N18, all kinds of N's. Okay. And also today I'm going to use the plate. You can search for N16. And I found all of them exactly the same shape, so I'll call it N something now. We used to call it the N16. Here's the other spring. When you make the jig, you might want to do like a more closer hook, so when they fall out, you can catch it. There we go. And then the only thing we need to do is take this plate off. However, you're going to find that it's really hard to take it off and install this way. And actually, the harder way is the easiest way. I'm going to post a video about how to uncasing 9022, like 9018, and just click the link above if you don't know how to take the top parts off. Here's the part that we're going to talk about today. See, a correctly installed one, when you lift it up, it goes to bounce right back. To remove it, just bend upwards, and they're going to come off very easily. Just show you the one I took from this one is N18. And here a bunch of them we removed from the same batch, and this one is N17. And this one, next one will be, let's see, 15 or 16, and we got the 15, we got 14, whatever. They all exactly the same. Actually, we've been selling everybody as N16 for years because we thought the old N16, the first one we pull off is N16. So now everybody say, "Oh, hey, do you have N16 parts?" Anyway, so another one right now we call it N something. Here's a groove, really long groove. Here's a tab and groove. When we have a groove, we put N something above it. And here you can see I put the white part above the groove. Now I'm going to use another hand holding this. Now you can see me bending the N something to be able to put it underneath the tab. Now the middle one is below the tab. Now you're going to see me flip the smaller one, flipped up, and put it on the top of the groove. And now I do the same thing for the other side. And now it's perfect. And don't forget to put the spring back, and you'll be all set. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.